Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Alicia. I'm back, and this is gonna be a video of me cutting my hair. I've been wanting to do this for such a long time, y'all. Like, I know I could have did it before, but I really wanted to do it on YouTube. You guys can probably see already the ends of my hair. Oh my god, y'all. And I am somebody who cuts my ends or trims my ends very often. I trim my ends almost every day, or dust my ends almost every single day. The goal for this video isn't one of those, okay, I'm gonna cut off like half an inch and no, I really want to cut like a lot of the hair, but this is going to be a challenge for myself. Like, I'm going to cut my hair, mark where my hair is on my shirt, and then I'm giving myself 2 months to grow that hair back. And we're going to see just how great of a regimen I have, or just how great those hair vitamins work. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. This is not a video on how to cut or trim your ends. You guys might see that I'm doing something wrong. That is fine. This is hair. It's gonna grow back. It's not a big deal. You guys need to stop sweating hair. This right here is all just help. I am just helping myself, and I'm trying to inspire you guys in the process. So anyways, y'all, I'm gonna get into cutting my hair. These ends that you see are gonna be gone, girl, gone. But yeah, let's get into this cut. Okay, so let's get into this trim. Here is my hair up close. If you're wondering what this is a blowout. Elise does have her blowout coming up, but you guys can see I have a ton of split ends, single strand knots, and dead ends. So I'm going to be cutting it all off. And if you guys see if I leave some on there, I will be cutting it off later, okay? But first things first, you'll want to detangle your hair. So I'm starting off with a wide tooth comb just to get my hair detangled somewhat of a way. And then I'm going to use a fine tooth comb just to go through. And you want to make sure your hair is completely free of all tangles. I am going to take my shears. These are my special titanium steel shears. I'll leave a link of where you guys can pick it up. I'll find a cheaper alternative for you guys just in case you are interested in getting yourself some new shears. But this is not going to be a tutorial because I don't want you guys following my steps. But what I'm just doing is I'm not necessarily using the look technique where I'm looking at my hair. I'm using the technique where I'm filling my hair, because I can feel those single strand knots and I can feel the hair kind of like, because all of the hair above this point is smooth, and then my ends I can kind of feel it that it's kind of rough. And then after I cut it, I'll go back in just to make sure it's even by looking at my hair, okay? So that is what you see me doing. Again, I'm just going to detangle all the way down, starting from the roots all the way down, and then I'm going to just run my hands over the section just so I can feel where the hair starts to get rough at, and then I'll cut it, and then I'll go back in to make sure it's nice and even by cleaning it up, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna pretty much do that all over. I take relatively decent sized sections because I'm working fast. I don't want to be here all day, so I'm taking a section and I'm just cutting. And yeah, I did measure the amount of hair I cut. I measured the scraps that I cut off, and it measured about 2 to 2.5 inches. So it may not look like 2 to 2.5 inches, but it is. And I'll include my length check at the end of this video so you guys can see just how much hair I cut, because it may not look like a lot of hair, but I was actually surprised that I kind of did go a little haywire, okay? So I'm curious to see how my hair will look after I wash it, how much shorter it's going to be once it's curly. Again, y'all, I'm not super fascinated with long hair. I just, just in case you guys wanted to know, some of you guys might say nah, but I just really wanted to get those ends taken off, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna continue to go through my hair. When the second clip begins, after I cut my hair, you guys will notice my hair looks very frizzy, and that's because I had to run to the post office right after I did my cut, and my hair frizzed out. So don't think that I missed a whole bunch of hair. It frizzed out, and then yeah, it just kind of poofed up in certain areas, and the ends were looking a little straggly. So yeah, you guys will see my hair come together. I'm gonna going to do my wash routine. You guys will see how it comes together, and I will continue cutting if I do notice some messed up ends. Leave me some advice, but please y'all, charge it to my head, not my heart. I am not a professional, and I am not doing this so that you guys can take my tips. I'm doing it so that you guys can get inspired in case you guys are looking to grow out your hair and take care of your hair this summer, okay? So yeah, I'll let you guys go ahead and continue watching the video, and I will be back. I cut my hair. I cut it, and I know this side looks a little longer than this side. I'm probably gonna have to go back in and cut off like an additional inch on this side. I will be growing my hair back. I'm going to be using my regimen. This is going to be a challenge for me. You guys are more than welcome to hop on board with me. So I'm going to be doing my wash routine every single week. I'm going to be deep conditioning every single week. If I feel like I need moisture, like my hair is extra dry, I'm going to be doing co-washing and following that up with moisturizing. I'm going to be doing nightly scalp massages as well as using my biotin hair serum. And I'm also going to be doing protective styling. I've actually been watching several YouTube videos on different types of protective styling outside of wigs, because I definitely want to bring you guys content. But what I'm going to do now is do a quick length check on my hair, and I'm going to mark it on my shirt, and I'll be back at the end of summer to see just how much my hair grown. This is my left side here. Okay, so here, okay, here's the front. I marked it right here. Okay, let's do this side now. Sorry, I have to like see where I'm marking because, okay, so that's pretty even. Okay, so now this is the left side of my crown. So my crown, it's a little longer than my bangs actually. Okay, so I don't even know, maybe I should like write like a C right there. Okay, so it's like the same. Oh, it's pretty even. Bangs, crown. Okay, so this is the back. I have Elise helping me. Okay, y'all, so this is where my hair is. I'm gonna put a C right here, and yeah, we're gonna get this show on the road to see if I grow my hair back in I don't know how long is summer. I will definitely be back with a length check in 2.5 months, but I low-key want this to go all summer long. I'm gonna wash my hair every Saturday. So on Saturday I will start and we'll keep going on, and I'm gonna leave you guys everything. I'll keep you guys posted on Instagram. I'm excited, y'all. Like, I'm really excited, and I can't wait to see what my hair is gonna look like in a couple months, because this is where my hair is now. And yeah, we're gonna see how many inches we grow in 2.5 months. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any advice for me, let me know, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.